Kickstart your entrepreneurial journey in India with these 5 business ideas, perfect for newcomers with minimal investment. First up, online reselling. Set up an online store on platforms like Amazon, Flipkart or eBay and resell products from wholesalers or manufacturers. Minimal inventory investment required and it can be done from home. Next, freelancing. Offer your skills in fields like writing, graphic design, web development, or digital marketing. All you need to start is a computer and an internet connection. Third, tutoring or coaching. If you're proficient in a specific subject or skill, offer tutoring or coaching services online or within your local community. Only minimal initial investment needed. Fourth, content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast on your field of interest. As your audience grows, earn income through advertisements, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. Finally, mobile food cart. If you have culinary skills, consider starting a small mobile food cart selling snacks, street food, or beverages. It's a cost-effective way to start a food business. Remember, before starting any business, conduct thorough research and planning and consider local regulations and market demand in your area when choosing your business.